Hello, today I'm showing you how to create this bat cat toy and this candy cat toy. The first thing that you'll need is some yarn, some felt, an old cat toy ball, and some catnip and some scissors. So first I'm just measuring, making sure I cut the right amount of felt to completely enclose the ball. And then I'm going to add some catnip inside the little paws on the ball, as well as just whatever spills out into the felt. Now I'm just going to roll up the ball with the catnip and tie the ends so it looks like candy, just with my yarn. You can use ribbon or string. I just had yarn, so that's what I used. I make sure that I double knot the yarn and then I cut off the end pieces, and that is the first cat toy. This next one is a little bit of sewing, so I just started off by tracing an outline on my iPad of a bat, and then I went ahead and cut it out and used that as my stencil. After that, I folded some felt and then cut it out, and then I pinned it so that I only have to cut it out once and they'll be the same size on either side. Then I removed my little stencil and my pins. I put the pins back in without the stencil and started sewing. For this, I just used a simple blanket stitch, I believe it's called. And I sewed maybe 3/4 of the toy, and then I added the catnip. After that, I finished sewing up the toy with the catnip inside, and then I gave it to my cats to play with. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you tomorrow for the next day of 31 Days of Tawny and Rex.